In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build websites with AI, Webflow AI Review. We'll start right on the Webflow homepage. From here, create a new site, then choose the AI Site Builder option. This opens Webflow's guided flow that turns plain language instructions into a fully designed website, complete with pages, sections, and starter content you can refine. In the prompt, describe your site clearly and specifically. Mention your industry, the purpose of the site, the tone or style you want, and any key sections you need, like a hero, services, a portfolio, or a contact page. If you already have brand colors or a preferred font style, include that as guidance too. The more context you give, the better the starting point the AI will generate. And as a best practice, don't paste private or sensitive information here. Keep it high level. Next, generate the site. Give the builder a moment to work, and you'll land on a complete layout you can edit. From there, customize the branding, individual pages, and elements. Tweak headings, body copy, and buttons so they match your message. Fine-tune colors and type to reflect your brand. Use the style panel to maintain consistency across sections, and preview at different breakpoints to ensure everything looks great on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Nice work. Now open your newly generated project in the designer. Follow the on-screen highlight to navigate where the interface is guiding you, then open Global Styles. This is your central place to manage typography scales, color tokens, and base components, so updates remain consistent site-wide. If you see another highlight prompting you within that area, click it to confirm or reveal supporting options. Head into site settings when prompted, then open custom code. This is where you can add analytics snippets or third-party embeds that load across your site. Only paste code you trust and avoid including private tokens or keys. Back in the designer, select the navbar to start refining your navigation. Use the highlighted cues to drill into the component structure. Open the navbar menu when indicated so you can see the links inside. Continue following the highlights to move through the nested elements. This helps you target the right layer without guessing. Finally, select an individual navbar link. Here, you can adjust the label, set it to point to a section on the page, another page in your project, or an external URL, and style its hover and active states to match your brand. And that's it. You've used Webflow's AI to generate a site, then refined global styles, settings, and navigation to make it yours. Keep iterating on content and design, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on clarity and brand.